guys, welcome back to the Sea Pool Crew. And today we are in Queenstown and we are going to show you guys around Queenstown to show you guys why so much people around the world come to this town. Let's jump into it. Guys, there's also going to be other lots of things to see, so we're going to take our time. What? Queenstown is a lakeside town built on the shores of Lake Wakatipu. It is easily one of the most amazing and most beautiful areas in all of New Zealand. Guys, we're on our way to a lake. Apparently this lake is really good and clear. It's called Lake Wakatipu, and I'm really excited to go there. Are you excited?
Yep, I am very excited.
Okay, we gotta catch up with the others. Bungee and swing, that's for bungee jumping. Shot over jet, I don't know what that is, but
It sounds fun though.
yeah. That girl looks happy, so.
Imagine literally getting shot over a jet.
Wow, this place is amazing. And guys, remember to subscribe and like all our videos. It really helps the channel. And this place actually reminds me of Wellington. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It'll be in the description. Guys, a really cool thing about Queenstown is there's a thing called End Zone Skydive. It can go up to 15,000 feet, which is the max, and 10+ minutes scenic flight, and you can fall up to 60 seconds. That is actually really scary. Yo, maybe we should do that in one time, maybe. That'll be a good. Guys, right across the street is the world famous Furge Burger, and it actually smells amazing. What does it smell like, Manang?
It smells like Krabby Patties from SpongeBob.
Krabby Patties. Guys, comment down below if you've tried a Furge Burger and rate it from a scale of 1 to 10 of how good it is. I'm really excited to see your comments.
Guys, there's lots of activities to choose. Like, I can't even count how many activities there are now. There's like so much. Skydiving, bungee jumping. I can't even count. There's so many.
Southern Lakes Info Center. I'm really excited to see this Lake Wakatipu. Hey guys, by the way, comment down below what other activities we should do in Queenstown or in New Zealand, actually. Queenstown is perhaps most famous for its natural beauty, but it is also known as the adventure capital of New Zealand. Guys, it's the world's best rugby team, the All Blacks, that has sadly lost the World Cup a few weeks ago against, I think it's South Africa, is it? Yeah. Country Road. I wonder what that. Oh, it's a private hotel. Road gun. Gun runner. New Zealand Renault World War. Look at that sheep. Guys, right here is the one and only Lake Wakatipu. Wow. It's actually pretty clear as well. That's amazing. This would be so fun to swim in. Oh, look at those ducks. They're just sleeping. Guys, look at those ducks over there. They're just having a little sleep. Make sure not to disturb them, Monang, or they'll chase you. Look at this place, guys. It's amazing.
Watch this. Watch this.
Lake Wakatipu is shaped like a square S and is the longest lake in New Zealand. Guys, I wonder if we could jump off here. That would be so much fun. Like, I only jumped off into the water 3 times. You guys haven't seen them? Try and find them. Guys, Mona was about to buy some candy floss.
I got another regular one and $13 large one. You can choose different shape. I got spaceship and dinosaur egg. Here's all the different flavors.
So
Hey.
2 colors, $9. Rainbow colors, and a large one is $13.
Oh wow, this looks amazing.
You get this one, 2 colors. What color do you want? No.
Guys, let's see how he makes it. Place. Wow, so amazing singing. Look at that, guys. The dog is singing to that talent there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah. Yeah?
Okay.
You see that fish over there? Guys, look at that fish. It's so close.
What's that?
It's a trout.
Snake?
Wow. Look at him swim off.
Guys, look at. Oh no, that's not a fish. That's not a fish.
Look at those beautiful mountains. It's such a beautiful view.
I know, right?
Look at that duck. What is he doing? There he goes. There's the trout. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. That's fishies. Oh, look at that. Look who it is. The candy disposer. Look at that, guys.
This is my cotton candy.
This
I
is
couldn't
cotton
finish
candy.
it in one day, so I just put it in the bag.
That's a good idea.
I hope I don't lose it.
Guys, look at those pictures. so cool. Wow. That's amazing. This Queenstown will always surprise me. Always.
That's a dog? Yeah, that's a dog.
Guys, Mrs. Fudge is another famous ice cream place. Comment down below again if you tried it and rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments down below.
Hi guys, we're at, I forgot, but like it's a rock shop. I'm gonna buy these 2 rocks. This one is rose quartz and the other one is tiger eye. And they look really good. So I'm gonna buy these ones. They're really rare.
Five, please.
Six.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Want to take the receipt? Yeah, thank you.
Guys, I present to you Enter New Zealand's scariest haunted house. Oh my goodness. Should we go in later?
What?
Should we go in later? I feel like we should go in later.
Buka jam 1.
It's gonna open at 1. Should we go? Yeah, let's go. Oh, this is so scary. Look at their faces. They look scared. Look.
Fear factor.
Oh my god, that would be so scary. You ready? You ready?
No.
I'm going in.
Oh, berani? Mana?
Yes, but it's gonna be so scary.
Guys. Here's a quiz. Comment down below who will have the loudest scream out of the 3 of us. And I'm ready. Where are they? Yeah. Glass almonds. Yeah.
That was you. I know you.
Guys, that was sadly the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and smash the comments down below. Type anything you want. And hope you really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it. Everyone enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.